Okay, so week 7, experiment 1 is tire track analysis. In experiment, you will analyze tire track patterns. So we had to use a linear marker, the permanent marker, to put a linear path on the bottom sheet of paper. Remove the lid of the fingerprint pad and apply ink to the entire surface of all 4 tires of the toy car. So I guess I'm doing this right. Alright, so place a ruler parallel to the long edges of the construction paper so it'll maintain the car in the linear path. Place the toy car just above the label of the construction paper facing away from you, keeping a hand on the car, and roll it on the linear path alongside the ruler. So we place it here and we just roll it along the linear path. Alright. So use a permanent marker in the position of the car to label which tire creates each track. So I would say this one and this one are from the front. This one is from the rear. And this one is from the rear. Use a camera phone to take a picture of the track. Alright, and so we'll do the same thing. We'll mark another sheet of construction paper, curved path right to left, and we'll basically do the same thing, so we'll come back to that one. For the second part, we have to do a curved path right to left. We had to put, apply ink to all 4 tires again. Place the car on the bottom right hand corner of the construction paper and roll the car in a curved path from the bottom right corner to the top left corner of the paper until the front tire reaches the edge of the paper. Leave the car or at rest when it stops rolling it. Use a permanent marker and the position of the tire on the position of the car to label which tire created each track. And then photograph it. So bottom right corner. Okay. That's what it kind of looks like. So, of course, this is the rear. This one is the front. And this one right here, they kind of merged together. Or no, it didn't. I don't know. And then I'll go back to that one. And then we do it again. We flip it over and then we do a curved path left to right. Alright, now it's a curved path from left to right, so we place the car on the bottom left corner, move it to the front right of the page. And we'll leave the car here. Alright. So this one was the rear. Do rear right. front right. Then they start merging up here. So the last one we saw would be the rear left. This one was the front. F for front, and this is the rear.